This is a door for a 1970 Porsche 914, and in order to get this paneling off of the door, you need to remove the insert for this, and that's held on by a single Phillips head screw right here. Also need to remove the window crank. Now, they were pretty tricky. They made this look like a button that popped out. You are going to goober that up if you keep trying to get that out. The way to do this is to put a large flathead behind the piece, pop it off like that, bring it down, then use a Phillips head right here. And then use your Phillips head again. And off it comes. Hope that helped, because I was not able to find a video on this.